Better grab your raincoats because a storm is coming, a Wi-Fi 6 storm that keeps rushing through our product line, adding blazing fast AX wireless to our classic products. And today it seems we've hit jackpot, because what I have here is an amazing long-range access point in our toughest outdoor enclosure, the indestructible NetMetal AX. This is an upgrade of the previous NetMetal AC². The good news, we are keeping the same low price and all the killer features, such as the handy enclosure with IP66 protection from dust and powerful jets of water, perfect for nearly any environment. So not only is it durable, it can also be installed almost anywhere. The case is sturdy and can be easily opened. Elevator shafts, towers, docks, all sorts of rough places become your playground with NetMetal. Don't believe me? Here's a typical NetMetal setup. A link between two sites in the ocean for the tsunami alert and tide reading stations in India. Now let's look inside the powerful access point. What do we have here? DC jack, Gigabit Ethernet with PoE in, always welcome, SFP for fiber connectivity, a speedy dual-core ARM CPU, USB, and a miniPCIe slot for a mobile internet modem or LoRa gateway card for Internet of Things. The powerful dual-band, dual-chain wireless is now Wi-Fi 6. And if you are following our channel, you know what that means. Wi-Fi 6 brings more security, better roaming, less interference with higher efficiency, better power management, and of course, higher speeds. And you can connect your favorite antennas because there are two RP-SMA connectors. Gives you options. You could adapt the NetMetal and boost your preferred frequency range with a wide selection of antennas. NetMetal really is the Mars rover of networking. And now it comes with Wi-Fi 6, so don't wait, email or call your favorite MikroTik distributor and make a reservation today.